Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and today we're in the pre-construction video here for this beautiful whole house renovation that we're doing in Clear Lake. This client was a referral from a wonderful League City client that we did their kitchen. So I'm going to shoot a video here showing you guys what we're going to be doing here. This is an amazing project and I can't wait for everybody to follow along with this one. Right now I am in the kitchen and we're going to be making more cabinetry here. We're going to be putting a wall to build a walk-in pantry. And then over here to the right, there's a separation wall which will be coming out. We're taking that out and it's going to be opening up to the dining room and living room, which is going to be really beautiful and give them a nice open space. They do entertain a lot. And we're going to move on now to the master bathroom so I can give you a little glimpse on what we're going to be doing in there. So here we are in the master bathroom and a little glimpse of what's happening here. We are going to be taking out this tub, taking out this old shower, and this is going to become one very large shower, a walk-in with no door. We're going to be shifting things around, relocating where the vanities are, totally changing the footprint here because she did not want a tub. And it's going to be much more functional for them. And they also wanted to widen doorways and things like that. So in case in the future that they needed it for ADA compliance, they can, already have that ready because they're already in the midst of doing this large renovation. We are redoing all the other bathrooms upstairs, new flooring, paint. It's a total redo of this whole house. And this is going to take a couple of months to complete. So follow along with this project. Stay tuned for more.